Hello IG Garage family. Is your car throwing a P0101 trouble code? Are you experiencing poor acceleration, rough idling, or a sudden drop in fuel efficiency? This code is related to the mass airflow (MAF) sensor, which is crucial for your engine's performance. If this sensor isn't working properly, your car might feel sluggish, stall at idle, or even struggle to start. In this video we'll cover what P0101 means, the exact sensor location, which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Let's dive in. What does P0101 mean? The P0101 code stands for Mass Airflow (MAF) Sensor Performance Issue. Your car's Engine Control Module, or ECM, uses the MAF sensor to measure the amount of air entering the engine. If the MAF sensor sends incorrect readings, your engine won't get the right air-fuel mixture, leading to poor performance and higher fuel consumption. Symptoms of P0101 include the check engine light being on, poor acceleration and rough idling, increased fuel consumption, engine stalling or hesitation, hard starting, or even a no-start condition. Common causes of P0101 are a dirty or faulty MAF sensor, where dirt buildup or sensor failure can cause incorrect readings, vacuum or intake leaks, where unmetered air entering the engine can confuse the ECM, a clogged or dirty air filter, which restricts airflow to the MAF sensor, damaged MAF sensor wiring, where broken or corroded wiring can disrupt sensor function, and in rare cases, a faulty ECM that may misinterpret sensor signals. The sensor location is very important. How to diagnose and fix P0101. First, inspect and clean the MAF sensor. Remove the MAF sensor and clean it with MAF sensor cleaner. Do not use carb cleaner. Let it dry completely before reinstalling. Next, check the air filter and intake system. If the air filter is clogged, replace it, and inspect the intake hose for cracks or leaks. Check for vacuum leaks. Use soapy water or a smoke test to find leaks in the intake system. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires connected to the MAF sensor. Secure any loose connections. Reset the code and test drive. Use an obd2 scanner to clear the P0101 code. Take the car for a test drive to see if the issue is resolved. That's how you fix P0101, Mass Airflow, MAF, Sensor Performance Issue. If your car is idling rough, consuming too much fuel, or struggling with acceleration, check your MAF sensor, intake system, and wiring. For more car repair guides, watch these videos next. 1. P0491, Secondary Air Injection System Insufficient Flow. 2. P0053, Heated Oxygen Sensor Resistance Problem. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.